This video is going to show you how to make marshmallow fluff icing for putting inside cupcakes or cream puffs, or you can ice cakes with it. All you need is 1.5 cups of Crisco shortening, 2 tablespoons of milk. This is 3 cups of confectioner's sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Then we're going to cream all this in the mixer. Okay, once you get the confectionery sugar and the Crisco and vanilla creamed together, scrape down the sides of the mixer. We're putting 4 of the containers of marshmallow cream in so it gets nice and fluffy. So that would be 28 ounces of marshmallow cream. Our marshmallow fluff icing is done mixing. See how nice and thick it is. Now, if you want to put it on cake, put it on now while it's still spreadable. If you're going to put it in cupcakes or inside cream puffs, I usually refrigerate it for a couple hours so it's a little stiffer. So when you put it in the cupcake or the cream puff, it stays nice and firm inside there. So I hope you like my marshmallow fluff icing filling recipe. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.